For creative entrepreneurs, it is crucial to understand the lifetime value of your customers. Welcome, my name is Rosh and I teach the combination code to creative entrepreneurs just like you. And part of the process of growing our creative business is to understand the lifetime value of our customers. This is important because it helps you understand where to place your valuable time, or maybe your marketing dollars. In other words, knowing the high value or low value of specific prospects and customers gives you a better understanding of how to grow your business. You may get a lot of great customers from one source, however, they may be low value. They purchase once and they never come back. However, there may be a more expensive way to attract new customers, or a type of customer that you can put more effort into that provides additional income over time, more than just one-time purchases of your product, your art, your service, whatever it may be. People come back or they refer you. So the starting point is to understand the one-time purchase average. What is the average purchase from your customer the first time? So if somebody buys a piece of art from you, or a writing service or design or photography service, how much do they pay? Is it $500? Well, then that would be the one-time value purchase. But if that customer on average comes back once or twice a year and that average is $500, now the value, the annual value of that customer is $1,500, and it's worth noting. Now maybe your average customer hangs around 5 years. I would refer to that as more the lifetime value of the customer. And so maybe on average a customer spends $1,000 with you each year. So the lifetime value of a customer is $5,000. This lets you know how much energy you can put into marketing, or how much you can spend to gain a new customer from specific sources, or for specific products and services that you offer. The truth is, it goes much deeper than the face value of the products and services that you offer. The business value of your products and services can be a little deceptive. For example, you may have a service that you charge $250 for, but it's generally a one-time purchase from your average customer. However, you may have another product that's $50. However, the average customer comes back once a month. So that's a $600 value annually versus a one-time $250 purchase. You should also consider the net profit of your product. It's very possible that that $250 service has a $200 profit attached to it, whereas that $50 product may only have a $5 profit margin. In that situation, I would definitely go after the customers looking for the $250 service. So take the time to understand the true value, the business value of your products and services, and the value of the customers that desire them. If you'd like to learn more about the lifetime value of a customer, check out the next video.